Hello, hi to everybody. In the previous video, I have given the terms amphibious animals and terrestrial animals. I explained in the previous video these two terms, amphibious animals and terrestrial animals. I have given some examples for those animals. Listen to these words very carefully and keep it in your mind so that you can answer them easily. Please subscribe my channel. Channel's name is J Soumya Talks. It is all about 5th class, means class 5 olympiad science. So please listen to this carefully. This video is continuation to the previous video. So please go back to the previous video and listen to that and come to this video so that you can understand the terms in this science very easily. Now in this video I am going to explain the term arboreal animals. What are arboreal animals? Animals that live on trees are called arboreal animals. These have very strong limbs, means legs, so that they can climb from one tree to another tree in search of food or for protect themselves or to protect themselves from the prey. So examples for arboreal animals are monkeys, and here see it, monkeys and sloths. These have long tail so that it will help them to balance on trees. So the tail is very important to them. They have strong limbs, so these are called arboreal animals. So arboreal animals are the animals that lives on trees. These are examples, that is sloths, monkeys are examples for arboreal animals. The next term you should know is aquatic animals. It is aquatic animals. What are aquatic animals? Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. So aquatic habitats can be either freshwater habitat or salty water habitat. What is freshwater habitat? Freshwater habitats means the salt content in this water is very less, and freshwater habitats examples are like ponds, rivers, lakes and streams. So animals that live in freshwater habitat are generally fish, and like hilsa or guppies, and birds and ducks, swans, some insects like dragonflies. These will also come under freshwater habitats. Freshwater habitats have less amount of salt, and there are very many species. There are many species that are living in freshwater. So coming to the salty water habits. Salty water habits are oceans and seas. Oceans and seas. If you drink the sea water, it is salty. We are not able to drink this water. It has lots of salt dissolved in it. But a largest habitat, it is the largest habitat because Why? Because so much of land is covered with oceans. So a large variety of animals we can find here, such as whales, dolphins, seals, seahorses, octopus. These comes under saltwater habitats. These are, the water is very salty, and we can find large variety of habitats, means fishes, dolphins, sharks. These are examples for the salty water habitats. These are dolphins, sharks. These are examples for the salty water habitats. So two terms we learned so far, that is arboreal animals and aquatic animals. In the aquatic animals we learn two terms, that is freshwater habitat and salty water habitat. Coming to the next term, aerial animals. Aerial habitats. Animals that mostly stay in air are called aerial animals. Those are birds. Birds generally stay in air. Bats also stay in air. So they build nests on trees. So these are called aerial animals. They have wings to fly. And these birds have hind legs that are modified for walking, running, hopping, or perching. These hind legs are very useful to the birds. These hind legs, these legs bones are very hollow, means only air is present in these bones, so that if air is present, it will reduce the body weight and it can fly easily. So hollow bones is an adaptation to the birds. So birds have hollow bones, so they will help to reduce their body weight. So these are examples, these are pictures for the birds, like eagle. These are examples for the birds, and some examples, some birds cannot fly. Those birds are called flightless birds. Those are emu, kiwi, ostrich. These are examples for flightless birds. These cannot fly because of their weight. So far we have seen the terms amphibious animals, terrestrial animals, arboreal animals, aquatic animals, aerial animals. So these terms, if you listen these carefully, you can answer them in the exam. So next topic I am going to cover is body coverings of animals. Animals' body is covered with different kinds of things, so we'll learn them easily. In the coming up videos I can explain more about terms in this science, so please subscribe my channel and hope you enjoy this video. Do subscribe it.